How does a CNC machine move? For the machine to perform its job, the spindle that holds the cutting tool must be able to move along different cutting paths relative to the workpiece. Because these movements can be complex, machinists and programmers need to define these possible axes of motion using an agreed-upon coordinate system. How do we determine which axis is which? Imagine you're the operator facing the machine. From your reference point, the x-axis is parallel to the front of your body, moving left to right. The y-axis is perpendicular to you, forward and back, while the z-axis is up and down. On this type of mill, the workpiece remains fixed to the work table, staying on the horizontal xy plane. Taken together, the range of these motions defines a three-dimensional space inside of which the machine performs cutting operations.